4th January 2010, a massive landslide in Hunza Valley buried several villages of Gilgit Baltistan under molds of rubble. At least 24 villagers were killed and some 250 families were displaced. With no relief coming from the authorities, many have had to fend for themselves and spend the harsh Himalayan winter in flimsy tents. Perched at a height of 8,200 feet, Hunza Valley is covered for months by snow. The debris from the landslide which fell into the Hunza River led to the sudden rise in the water levels and submerged nearby areas. With every passing day, at least 2 feet of water is being added to the 80-meter deep artificial lake which has been formed after the landslide. It now stretches to about 10 miles. The lake has also blocked a stretch of the Karakoram highway, and if the lake breaches its embankments, the icy cold water will wash away the surrounding villages, which have a population of some 50,000 people. It will also destroy the limited infrastructure in the area.
Government of Gilgit Baltistan should submit relocation and evacuation plan for all affected areas, and Ainabad should be completely evacuated. 7. Hunza Nagar district, which was notified in October 2007, needs to be now immediately capacitized, and the delay by present government is not appreciated since it has led to loss of life.
A large number of livestock and hundreds of acres of standing crops were also destroyed. The buoyant streaming water from the once rapidly flowing river along the highway is blocked.
गवर्नमेंट की नाअहली समझूंगा मैं और वहाँ की इंतजामिया की गफलत समझूंगा कि वहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ने हमें कोई अल्टरनेट कोई वहाँ झील को जो खुदरती झील बन गई है वो किसी भी टाइम फंस सकती है और गिलगित बल्तिस्तान मैं तो समझता हूँ कि यहाँ के जो इंडस्ट्रीज है यहाँ के जो डैम है उनको मुतासिर कर सकती है इसके बावजूद गवर्नमेंट ने हमारी तरफ कोई तवज्जो न दी मैं समझूंगा कि ये हमारे साथ कोई स्टडी माँ की जैसी सलूक होती है
Karakoram Highway, which connects Pakistan to China, is Hunza Valley's main transportation route. With the crucial highway blocked, food and other essentials are in short supply for the last several months. Residents are forced to depend upon items illegally sourced from across the Chinese border at a very high price.
वहाँ के अवाम के लिए आने जाने का बहुत मसला है जो जितने भी हुंजा में गोजान में कॉलेजेस है वो ज्यादातर हुंजा और गिलगित के साइड पे है वहाँ के स्टूडेंट के लिए आने जाने का बहुत मसला है उनके बैठने के लिए उनके खाने के लिए वहाँ का फूड का बहुत ही भुगतान है मैंने और हमारे कमेटी ने हुंजा में स्पेशली गिलगित में भी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन किया हुंजा में भी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन किया और हमारे साथियों ने अलियाबाद में गिलगित में गवर्नमेंट को अपनी गिरफ्तारियां तक दी
Reconstruction work is mostly confined to building a spillway to ease pressure on the dams in the area. There have been no efforts to mitigate the hardships of the villagers here. All requests to expressly clear the blocked highway has fallen on deaf ears and work is proceeding at a very slow pace. Frequent helicopter trips ferrying Pakistani officials may disturb the fragile ecology of the region, locals say.
हुकूमत को जल्द से जल्द चाइना के साथ ये रूट खुलाने की जरूरत है क्योंकि वहाँ से सिर्फ हेलीकॉप्टर में आप लिफ्ट कितने भी कर लें आप जितने भी ब्लैंकेट्स आप हेलीकॉप्टर में डाल दें या जितने भी आपने अभी सुने जितने भी लीटर्स इन्होंने जो है ट्रांसपोर्ट किया एक्सेट्रा एक रूट था चाइना के साथ जो हमने कहा फौरी तौर पे खोलें और ये ऑब्वियसली मिनिस्टर लेवल पे होती हैं ये चीजें और मिनिस्टर लेवल के बाद जारी बात है प्राइम मिनिस्टर को पता होना चाहिए इन चीजों का
The authorities have downplayed the possibility of flash floods, saying that the lake was unlikely to breach its banks. The water levels are likely to rise by June when the summer snow melts.